Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. I'd like to very humbly request if all of you can come forward. Come closer, please. You won't fall sick, but I will get your warmth. I might get relief of my flu. Please come forward. Oh yeah, Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. So thank you all very much for coming to today's program. And today we are celebrating Snan Yatra. So we'll talk about Snan Yatra and Lord Jagannath a little bit. And also Festival of Fiji, Jagannath Rath Yatra is coming up on Friday in Singatoka. So we will be distributing prasadam during the Rath Yatra. And we need to pack 3,500 packs of lakri mithai for distribution. So those of you, अगर आप लोग क्लास में सो जाने वाले हैं और आप कुछ सेवा करना चाहते हैं तो आचार्य निधि प्रभु प्रसादम हॉल में लकड़ी स्वीट्स पैक कर रहे हैं. इफ यू लाइक यू कैन गो एंड हेल्प हिम आउट देयर. बट प्रसादम के बाद में वी रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू हेल्प अस पैक द 3,500 पैकेट्स ऑफ स्वीट्स. तो अगर कोई अभी जाना चाहे तो आप जा सकते हैं. इन द मीनवाइल हम लोग थोड़ा क्लास करके आरती में आप आ सकते हैं, फिर उसके बाद में प्रसाद पाएंगे. तो हम लोग एक छोटा सा भजन गाते हैं. वासुदेव घोष जी. जगन्नाथ जी जो है वो चैतन्य महाप्रभु है, जगन्नाथ जी जो है वो कृष्ण है, जगन्नाथ जी जो है वो लॉर्ड श्री रामचंद्र है. तो वासुदेव घोष ने एक बहुत सुंदर भजन लिखा है, जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिर नंदन. सो आप अपने मोबाइल पे गूगल करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा KKS सॉन्ग्स में. जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिरानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरे जर चरण वंदना. जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिरानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरे जर चरण वंदना. जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिरानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरे जर चरण वंदना. जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिरानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरे जर चरण वंदना. नीलाचल शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार. नीलाचल शंख चक्र गदा पद्मधार. नादिया नगरे दंड कमंडलुकार. नदिया नगरे दंड कमंडलुकार जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिदानंदन त्रिभुवन करे जर चरण वंदना के हो बोले पुरावे ते रावण वधीला के हो बोले पुरावे ते रावण वधीला गोलोकेर वैभव लीला प्रकाश करीला गोलोकेर वैभव लीला कोरिला प्रकाश जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिदानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरे जर चरण वंदना श्री राधर भावे बे गौरावतार श्री राधर भावे बे गौरावतार हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर कोरिला प्रचार हरे कृष्ण नाम गौरा कोरिला प्रचार जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिदानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरे जर चरण वंदना सचिदानंदन वासुदेव घोष बोले करी जोड़ हाथ वासुदेव कोरे जोड़ हाथ जय गौर से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ जय गौर से कृष्ण जय जगन्नाथ जय जय जगन्नाथ सचिदानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरे जर चरण वंदना हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरवरधारी जय राधा माधव यशोदानंदन व्रज जन रंजन यमुना तीरवनचारी यमुना तीरवन जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरवरधारी जय राधा माधव जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल जय जय प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय गुरुदेव 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 जय गुरुदेव निताई गो प्रेमानंदे हरि बोल। श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा महारानी की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। समवेत भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन की जय। निताई गो प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। Hare Krishna. So we have 30 minutes till the Aarti, as dressing and offering is happening. We read about Lord Jagannath. Om Agyana Timirandasya Gyananjanashalakya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pasadya Shatarine. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Jai Shri Shri Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Maharani ki jai. Hare Krishna. So, today is a very, very auspicious day. According to the Vedic literatures and Jagannath Puri Mahatmya, today is a very special day. We can say a day equivalent to Janmashtami, Ramnavami or Gaur Purnima, because Snan Yatra is the appearance day of Lord Shri Jagannath. Just like Lord Krishna appeared after the birth of Krishna, then there is Abhishek. Likewise Ramnavami, likewise Gaur Purnima, when the Lord appears, then there is Abhishek. So Abhishek of Lord Jagannath is called Snan Yatra. So, appearance of Lord Jagannath also, in terms of Vedic calculation of time, symbolizes or marks that our Brahmaji is, of the 100 years of life he has, 50 years is already gone. So, Lord Brahmaji has entered into the second 50th of his lifespan. So, it is said in the history of Lord Jagannath truly embodies an irresistible force because he is none other than Krishna, the all-attractive Lord of the universe. And the annual procession of the deity of Krishna in the form of Jagannath, carried on the Rath Yatra chariot, enacts one of the world's oldest and largest festivals, a celebration dating back thousands of years in India. Rath Yatra has spread to cities throughout the world since when? Since when did Rath Yatra spread throughout the world? When was the first Rath Yatra outside of India held? When did Prabhupada go to America? 1969? 65. Yes, 65. 65. So thereafter, 65, then Prabhupada, Jayananda Prabhu, Prabhupada disciple, he organized the first Jagannath Rath Yatra. So one time Srila Prabhupada was having a program. So all these white devotees, they are attending Swamiji's program, and it is a culture that you exchange gifts. So one day, one of the devotees, one of the followers of Srila Prabhupada, she went to an antique shop and she bought one carving and brought to Srila Prabhupada as a gift. And when Srila Prabhupada saw the carving, the small wooden calf, Prabhupada's eyes went big like this, like Lord Jagannath. And then Prabhupada asked the devotee, where there are two more like this? Because what she had brought was Jagannath. And Prabhupada asked, is there two more like this? And Prabhupada said, one must be white and one must be yellow. Because Prabhupada knew exactly that this is Jagannath, and Jagannath will always be accompanied by Baladev and Subhadra. So Prabhupada said, immediately go back and bring those two as well. And then Srila Prabhupada took it as a blessing of Lord Jagannath, that Prabhupada was on the right track spreading the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the glories of Lord Jagannath. And then Prabhupada said that we organize a chariot festival, a replica of the Rath Yatra, festival of chariots in Jagannath Puri. The history of Lord Jagannath is a story of devotion and eternal love between man and God. That's Lord Jagannath. It tells how the prayers of a devotee cause the Lord to make his appearance in a wondrous way. And it shows how Krishna came as the deity Jagannath so that he could accept loving service from all classes of man. You worship Radha and Krishna, you need to be a Brahmana, situated in the right guna, mode of material nature, Sud Sattvic. Your mind and heart should be very clean, free of contaminations, then you can worship Radha and Krishna. Lord Jagannath came and he was identified and worshipped by the Shabaras. In Ramayana you know about Sabari. So Shabaras are like pig farmers. So that's why it is said here that Lord Jagannath can be worshipped by all classes of man. Even when Srila Prabhupada's preaching in the China mission started, so China was a communist country, so no religion is allowed to be practiced. So Jagannath deities were the first deities being worshipped there. Because the Chinese government would think, they are cartoons. And the devotees were able to offer their love and devotion, their offering of food and acts of devotion to Lord Jagannath. So that is why Lord Jagannath can be worshipped by anyone and everyone. The ancient Vedic literature describes the world ruled by King Indradyumna as a tranquil place. From his capital in Avantipura, the emperor surveyed a land filled with peace and prosperity unknown in modern times. Abundance was everywhere during the enlightened age of Satyuga, except in the heart of the king. So there was brilliance everywhere, enlightenment everywhere, except the heart of the king. Not that the king was sinful or something like that, but the king was depressed about the fact that he wanted to see Krishna. We might become depressed when we have to go to the temple. The king is getting depressed because he is not able to see Krishna. So Indradyumna felt all vacant in the world he ruled because he hankered for a pleasure beyond material bounds. He longed to see the Lord face to face. This is a difficult feat even for the greatest monarch in the world. The Gita states that such a boon is rarely achieved by mystics who devote their entire lives to God realization. Usually, the more one is involved in material pursuits, the less likely one is to make spiritual advancement. So how is it possible for a king absorbed in worldly affairs to obtain the Lord's special mercy? So, basically when somebody is too materially entangled, spiritual advancement is difficult. That is what is basically been saying. So how was it possible? So the king was depressed about the fact that I'm a king, I'm enjoying, I'm doing so many things. So-called like material engagements. So there's no spiritual advancement for me. So he was very morose about that. Krishna is not partial to the displays of material wealth or power. They are insignificant compared to his glories. What is significant though is the love each soul may direct to the Lord. And sometimes Krishna can be conquered by a very pure love. So, nothing attracts Krishna except for pure love. The search begins. One day, as Indradyumna lamented that he was not able to serve God directly, a pilgrim suddenly appeared. This man revealed how he had actually seen the Lord accept direct loving service in his deity form of Nila Madhava. Krishna incarnates in many ways throughout the ages, and sometimes he manifests in the form of stone or wood just to please his devotees and accept their loving service. So Vigraha, भगवान विग्रह के रूप में प्रकट होते हैं अपने भक्तों का प्रेम स्वीकारने के लिए. The traveler described on the remote mountain top of Niladri, he had seen demigods worshipping the Lord. The king immediately dispatched his chief Brahmanical priest Vidyapati to find this deity, so that all of Avantipura could be presented at the lotus feet of the Lord as an offering of love. So what was the desire of King Indradumna? Huh? Manasa deho geho jo kichu more arapilu tu apade Nanda Kishore. Manasa deha geha, mind, manasa deha, body, geha, home, manasa deha geha, jo kichu more, whatever is mine. Arapilu tuapade, I offer it to the lotus feet of Nanda Kishore. So this is what the king is desiring. After a month's journey without rest, Vidyapati found Mount Niladri, where he discovered Sabaras, low-born pig herders, camped near the holy ground, looking beyond class distinctions, married the daughter of the tribal chieftain, Vishwavasu, who had been worshipping the Lord in great secrecy. Due to his daughter's pleas, Vishwavasu finally agreed to show Lord Nilmadhav to Vidyapati, only if he went to the site blindfolded. But the Brahmin tricked his father-in-law by sprinkling mustard seeds along the path, seeds that would eventually sprout and lead the emperor back to claim the Lord's attention. Very detailed story is given in Jagannath Priya Natakam, a book translated, written by His Divine Grace Tamal Krishna Goswami Maharaj. So you come to Saturday's Vyas Puja of Tamal Krishna Maharaj in Singatoka, you might find this book there. So you can read the whole story of Lord Jagannath this year. So this is very summarized. So the king dispatched his Brahmana. This Brahmana went looking for, so after a month he found the mountain where the Sabara chief was worshipping Nilamadhava. He went to the extent that the Brahmana married the daughter of a Sabra, so that he could get in to find out about Lord Nilmadhava. So then the daughter convinced the father. The husband told the daughter that I want to go with father-in-law to this. But the father-in-law would not allow. So the daughter said that if you don't allow, then Vishwavasu will die. If he dies, I will become a widow. And how can a father tolerate one's daughter becoming a widow? So then Vishwavasu gave in. So he took the Brahmana for the darshan. But the Brahmana was very intelligent. He is still in the service of the king. So what he did, he took mustard seeds and he dropped. So the father-in-law said, I will take you blindfolded. I don't want you to know which way do you go to Nilmadhava. But the Brahmana was very intelligent. He dropped mustard seeds along the way. Those mustard seeds, after the rain, it will all sprout. So then the king can know where For many years, Lord Nilmadhava had been served by Vishwavasu with simple fruits and flowers. Knowing the prayers of Indradumna, Nilmadhava spoke to Vishwavasu and revealed his intention of accepting more opulent worship according to the desires of Indradumna. So Vishwavasu was revealed by Nilmadhava that I want more opulent service and I can be worshipped by King Indradumna. So Vishwavasu became devastated. He became very, very sad. It's just like broken down completely that Krishna wants to go away from me. No one can predict the plan of the Lord. Sometimes He bestows special mercy on His devotee by being present before them, and sometimes that mercy is also shown through separation, which increases the longing and attachment of the devotee. That the deity was speaking to him did not strike Vishwavasu as remarkable. He was too much absorbed in the grief at Nilmadhav's imminent disappearance. He was in so much love with Nilmadhav, and he was so much worried that Nilmadhav is going away, he didn't take notice that the deities were speaking to him. You come to the temple and Radha Golok Bihari is speaking to you, what will happen? We will all faint, right? It's the success of our life. Vishwavasu was so much feeling separation that the Lord will go away, he didn't even realize that Nilmadhav was speaking to me. And Krishna only speaks when he's satisfied with your service, right? So, He blamed Vidyapati for persuading Nil Madhav to accept King Indradyumna's worship, accusing the Brahmin of cheating him out of God's favor. Vishwavasu bound Vidyapati with ropes, but his daughter heard her husband's cries for help and freed him to return to Avantipura. So Vishwavasu said, it's because of the son-in-law. He came and prayed to the Lord that please come to take service from King Indradyumna. So he bound up his son-in-law, but hearing his cries, how wives succumb, you can please the wives very easily. So the husband was crying and the wife went and opened it up and he ran away to the king. Upon Vidyapati's return, Indradyumna climbed upon his chariot and led an army to the mountain where they located the trail of tiny mustard plants. The two struggled with the temple door and discovered Nil Madhav had vanished. When Indradyumna Maharaj जब पहुंचे वहां पर, तब तक वहां से जो विग्रहें थी वो अलोप हो गए, डिसअपियर हो गए. Only Vishwavasu could be suspected of removing the deity. अब राजा सोच रहा है कि विश्ववासु deities छिपा दिया है. In his desperation to keep the Lord, he might have done anything. However, when they found out the chief of the Sabaras, he was still mourning Nil Madhav's departure. Not believing his lament, they arrested Vishwavasu. Suddenly, Narad Muni, a great sage, appeared and revealed what had really happened to Nil Madhava. तो राजा विश्वासु को पकड़ लिया, बोला ये लुका दिया है. तो उसी समय नारद जी का प्रकट हुआ. फिर नारद जी बताया कि भगवान के प्लान क्या है और भगवान अदृश्य हो गए हैं. The Lord had withdrawn due to his own choosing, but he would reappear again in the form of Lord Jagannath to bestow benedictions upon the entire world. Whereas Nil Madhav enjoyed the simple and intimate service of Vishwavasu, his appearance as Jagannath would be for the benefit of everyone. विश्ववासु नील माधव को सिक्रसी में पूजा करता था. तो बोले भगवान का चॉइस है कि भगवान जगन्नाथ रूप में आके सभी को, that's why Lord Jagannath's hands are like this. He's accepting everyone. That's why we said everyone can bring offerings for Lord Jagannath today. Usually we don't do that with Radha Golok Bihari, but with Jagannath everyone can bring offering and Krishna accepts everyone's offerings. His appearance as Jagannath would be for the benefit of everyone. First, however, Narad Muni announced that a great temple must be constructed. Then Lord Brahma, chief of demigods, would receive Indradyumna on his own planet and plan for the sacred installation of Jagannath Swami, the Lord of the universe. So, Lord Brahma would be like Narsingh Kavach, he'd come and do the installation. So Naraji said, then Indradyumna Maharaj has to go to Brahma Lok, then plan the installation. When the temple was finally completed, Narad Muni escorted Indradyumna to his father's abode on Satyaloka. The home of Lord Brahma is inaccessible to ordinary human beings. But so great was King Indradyumna's devotion to God that even Lord Brahma was eager to meet him. Lord Brahma further described how Lord Jagannath would appear in a wooden form from a great Kalpa Vriksha tree, transported from the spiritual planet of Swetadeep. So this log, this wood, that had come from the Swetadeep, from, just like every time, all the demigods go to Shir Sagar, they pray to Lord Vishnu, then Vishnu incarnates. So here you can see a parallel. Brahmaji is saying the Kalpa Vriksha tree will come all the way, and that would be the Lord Brahma further described, as Indradyumna returned to earth in a spaceship from Brahma's planet, he noticed that things had changed. अब ब्रह्मा जी के लोक से इंद्रद्युम्न महाराज यहाँ आया तो यहाँ देखा सब कुछ चेंज हो गया. बिकॉज यहाँ पर ब्रह्मा जी का वहां 1 day, यहाँ पर 1000 साइकिल्स हो जाता है. तो वहां पे गए इनविटेशन लेके, वहां बात करके लौटा, यहाँ 1000 युग चला गया. Though he was away for what seemed a short time, the earth had aged many years. No one recognized him in his own kingdom, and his trusted priest Vidyapati had been replaced by another. अपना राज्य में कोई महाराज राजा के नहीं कोई चीने, और उसके जो ब्राह्मण रहा उसके तो टाइम खलास हो गए, कोई रिप्लेस हो गए. The king remained bewildered until a mystical crow revealed how all Indradumna's associates had died in his absence. For the sake of worshipping the Supreme, he had lost everything: family, friends and kingdom. बहुत पावरफुल मैसेज है कि भगवान के वर्शिप करे के इतना डिजायर रहा इंद्रद्युम्न के कि बताए, नारद जी बताए इस तरह कि ब्रह्मा जी के पास जाए के बात करे पड़ी, तब भगवान यहाँ पे टेंपल में स्टेब्लिश हुई. तो इंद्रद्युम्न महाराज आए, पहले टेंपल बनाई, देन ही वेंट टू ब्रह्मलोक, देन ही केम बैक, हिज फैमिली हैज गॉन, हिज किंगडम हैज गॉन, एवरीथिंग हैज गॉन. Very powerful message. To get this interaction with Krishna like this, one has to give up the whole world. One has to give up the whole world. Despite his hardship, Indradumna remained steadfast in his courage. Another message is for the benefit of us all today, that we can have darshan of Lord Jagannath Ji, we can serve Lord Jagannath Ji. Give everyone an opportunity to serve Lord Jagannath Ji. Maharaj Indradumna sacrificed everything for the benefit of others. This is called selfless service. This is indeed selfless service. He knew that God sometimes tests the love of his devotees by removing all other objects of affection. King Indradumna was determined to hasten the Lord's arrival by fasting, if necessary until death. Then he started fasting. He said, if it means I have to die, I will die, but I want the Lord to appear very quickly. Then Jagannath did appear, but only in a dream, and the emperor was guided to a great log floating in the ocean. No ordinary tree, this giant had come uprooted from the spiritual sky, part of the same transcendental energy as the Lord's own body. Even the might of the army could not budge it. महाराज के पूरा आर्मी जो था वो भी उसको उठा नहीं सकते थे. A lowly Shabara stepped from the crowd and handled the huge trunk with ease. This amazing fellow turned out to be the descendant of Vishwavasu, and he carried the sacred log to the Gundicha temple for preparation. पूरा महाराज के सेना उसको हिला नहीं सकते थे. फिर क्राउड में से एक सबर व्यक्ति आया और वो लॉग को उठाकर और गुंडीचा टेंपल में लेके गया. The greatest craftsmen in the world assembled to carve the Lord's deity form. एक से एक शिल्पी को बुलाया भगवान के विग्रह बनाने के लिए. But all their tools simply shattered to pieces. बोलो कि जो टूल रहा वो टूल टूट जाए, लेकिन वो भगवान के रूप नहीं बना पाए. Then a mysterious old Brahman appeared, Ananta Maharana, and he agreed to carve the deity of the Lord. But it had to be done on his own terms. Complete isolation for 3 weeks. Gates were locked and the beat of the chisel resounded for days. After only 2 weeks, however, it stopped, and Indradumna was worried. The Brahmin was old. Perhaps he's left his body. ब्राह्मण बोला 3 हफ्ता मुझे टाइम दो, मैं बना दूंगा. 2 हफ्ता तक चीसल की आवाज सुना, फिर नहीं सुना. और राजा व्याकुल हो गया. ओल्ड मैन था, पास तो नहीं हो गया. Gates were locked and the beat of the chisel resounded for days. Only after 2 weeks it stopped. Jagannath's appearance. Overcoming the restraints of the priests and advisors, the king wrenched open the doors to discover an unusual sight. A form of the deity never before seen. The Lord's form was apparently unfinished, having no hands or feet, and the emperor feared he had made a great mistake in opening the doors too early. The aged sculpture had vanished. अब राजा को रोकने पे भी राजा रुके नहीं, और अब राजा पछताने लगे. सामने देखते क्या है? इनकम्प्लीट डीटी. No hands, no feet. As Indradumna cursed his foolishness, new-found friends tried to console him. The descendant of the Sabara said, whatever happens is by the Lord's will. You acted out of love, so there can be no wrong. and the chief priest said that the deity of Jagannath along with his brother Baladev and sister Subhadra should be painted and dressed and prepared for the installation ceremony by Lord Brahma. Indradyumna felt ashamed until God's plan was finally revealed by Narad Muni. So again Narad Muni came. And then Narad Muni assured Indradyumna Maharaj, no, this is what Krishna wants. This is the Jagannath form of the Lord. तो दूसरा प्रीस्ट लोग बोला इसको पेंटिंग करके, तो यूजुअली जब भगवान का स्नान यात्रा होता है तो स्नान यात्रा के फिर 2 सप्ताह तक ये 2 चीज होता है. इतना स्नान करते हैं भगवान कि आउट ऑफ लव डिवोटीज बोलते हैं कि इसको भगवान को ठंड पकड़ लिया है इतना ठंड पानी से नहाने से. तो फिर 2 सप्ताह तक भगवान को बंद कमरे में रख के उसको सेवा करते हैं. तो एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इज, even with deities of Jagannath, even in Jagannath Puri when this happens, then 2 weeks the deities go behind closed doors and they get repainted. उसको फिर से redecorate करते हैं. तो इस प्रकार से यहाँ पर when the first deities were made, then for 2 weeks this painting was happening. Narad Muni then described how he had seen this form before while visiting Dwarka. At that time the Lord's Vrindavan pastimes were being discussed and the Lord overheard the conversation and felt loving separation of the devotee. He went into trance and his eyes opened wide, his feet and hands retracted into his body. Sharing in this transcendental exchange, Krishna's sister and brother similarly transformed. Then Narad Muni announced that his father Lord Brahma would soon arrive to install Jagannath deity. Before the celebration began, Brahma gave Indradyumna divine vision to see that his new friends were in fact the embodied souls of his old companions, Vidyapati and Vishwavasu. Thus the story of Jagannath's appearance ended happily with the reunion of loving devotees to honor and serve the Lord. After thousands of years, the Jagannath deity remains a source of unlimited joy to his friends and servants. And the Rath Yatra procession is a time to celebrate the loving exchange between the personality of Godhead and his devotees. All those who take part in this festival will receive his blessings, special blessings, and help on their journey back home, back to Godhead. जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा महात्म्य में बताया गया कि जो भी कोई जगन्नाथ जी के रथ के रस्सी को खींचता है उसके जन्म मृत्यु का बंधन जो है, रस्सी जो है वो बंध छूट जाता है. So it's a very very special. इसीलिए बताया गया जगन्नाथ जी का महाप्रसाद, जगन्नाथ जी का दर्शन जब भगवान रथ पे आते हैं, जगन्नाथ जी का सेवा स्वीकारना, everything has no limits, everything has no rules and regulations. This is the magnanimity of, that is why he is called Jagannath. He is called Jagannath. Jai Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maharani ki. So, being very special day of Lord Jagannath's appearance, Srila Prabhupada brought the festival of Rath Yatra to the whole world for benefit of everyone. So now we will have a series of Rath Yatra. It starts with Sigatoka, then we have it in Suva, then Nasori, then Navua. So as much as you could, Lotoka, Nendi, Lambasa. So all these places will have Rath Yatras. So as and when you are available, please join in and take the benefit of this. Next Rath Yatra or next Snan Yatra will come next year. And Krishna knows who will be here, who will not be here. So please do take blessings and benefit of Lord Jagannath. And everyone can keep a picture of Lord Jagannath in their own homes and worship Lord Jagannath in whatever little. The Lord Jagannath deities are also very special. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disappeared from this world, so one of the places Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went was into the deity of Jagannath. Tota Gopinath, Lord Jagannath, and one more place. Anybody? Alarnath? Alarnath pastime is more like when Lord Jagannath's Snan Yatra happens. So 2 weeks Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was staying in Jagannath Puri, तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु दर्शन बंद होता तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी का दर्शन नहीं कर पाते थे. एक्चुअली चैतन्य महाप्रभु is incarnation of Krishna in the mood of Radharani. Right? So that means Radharani is feeling separation from Krishna is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Krishna was hearing Rohini and the Dwarka queens talking about Radharani, Krishna took the form of Jagannath. So Jagannath is Krishna Bhav and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Radha Bhav. That is why when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Jagannath Puri, of the, how many years Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's manifest pastimes? 46 years. 48 years. 48 years. 24 years in Mayapur, Navadvip, and 24 years in Jagannath Puri. So in Jagannath Puri, he used to go to see Lord Jagannath every day. So during Snan Yatra, when 2 weeks the deities would go behind closed doors, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu could not stand the separation. So then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he went to Alarnath. Alarnath deity form was actually Vishnu form, Sankha Chakra Padma Gada. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when taking darshan of Alarnath, he was feeling so much separation like Radharani for Krishna that Alarnath's 2 arms fell off. 400 Vishnu, 2 hands fell off, and Alarnath took the form of Krishna because of Radharani's bhav. So this is a very great combination. It's a very great combination to have Jagannath and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So that is, you have this combination of worship in your home as the highest love of Radha and Krishna. So when you come to Rath Yatra, or you come to Pada Yatra with Gaur-Nitai deities and Jagannath deities, it's the highest bhava. You can be reminded of Rath Yatra is the reminder of that meeting of Dwarkadhish Krishna when on Surya eclipse he went to Kurukshetra for dip to bathe in the Ganges, and the gopis from Vrindavan, they came also to take. And what did the gopis do? They pulled Krishna's chariots towards Vrindavan. So participating in Rath Yatra means going to Vrindavan. So Gopi Bhartir Pada Kamalayor Das Das Anu Dasa. So thank you very much. There's so much more stories about Lord Jagannath. And we'll stop here now. It's 8:30. So let us all participate in the Aarti. And there's Jagannath Mahaprasadam Ki Jai. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai.
Jai Jagannath, Jai
डिवाइन ग्रेस ऐसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, स्वामी विवेकानंद श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, स्वामी गुरु वृंद की जय, श्री गुरु परंपरा की जय, गंगामाई जमुनामाई की जय, भक्ति देवी तुलसी महारानी की जय, नामाचार्य जलादास ठाकुर की जय, प्रेम श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, श्री गौरीदाय भगवान की जय, श्री सीताराम लक्ष्मण भक्त हनुमान की जय, श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप विनाश राधा गंगी गोवर्धन की जय, श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुंदर महारानी सांध्य महोत्सव की जय, समवेत भक्त वृंद की जय, श्री कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन की